Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 7th standard on simple equations. In today's video, we learn variables, constants, expression and algebraical equation. Consider a simple equation 5 plus dash is equal to 9. Can you find the missing number? Very easy, isn't it? Here, if we put 4 in the place of unknown number, we get 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. In our day-to-day life, we come across many situations where we have unknown numbers. Say, Ravi is purchasing some pens and the shopkeeper sells the pens at the rate of rupees 5 per pen. What is the total price of the pens that he is purchasing? That is written as 5 into the unknown number. So we are going to write it as 5 multiplied by question mark. Now instead of question mark, better way of writing it is to write an alphabet X, which we call as a variable. We can use any letter to write a variable. A variable means a number that can take different values. Means the value of the variable can vary. But if we take a number, say for example 15, it has a fixed value. So such numbers which have a fixed value are called constant. And mathematical expression which contains variable and constant are called algebraic expression. In an expression, variable can take any value. But please remember, when we write an expression for multiplication, that is 5 multiplied by a or 5 times a, we usually don't put the multiplication sign. We write it simply as 5a, which means 5 multiplied by a. Here are some examples for algebraic expressions: x plus 7, 4m minus 2, 3a plus 11, etc. Consider another situation where Ravi has rupees 50 with him. How many pens can he buy if he uses all the money he got? That means the result of the price of one pen multiplied by the number of pens should be equal to the money Ravi has got. We can write it as 5x is equal to 50. So here, can we try any value for x? No, isn't it? Because there is a specific value of x which when multiplied with 5 should give us 50. That means two expressions should have equal value. Such an expression which put a condition on the value of the variable is called an equation. In an equation, there is always an equality sign. So here 5x is equal to 50 is an equation which has a value of the expression on the left hand side should be equal to the value of the expression on the right hand side. They are called as LHS and RHS. So here what can be the value of x? It has to be 10. Because 5 multiplied by 10 will give you 50. So 10 is called as the solution of the equation. Let us summarize what we have studied. A variable is a letter or a symbol that represents a number which is an unknown quantity. Example, 8 plus n is equal to 12. Here 8 is a constant and n is a variable. Next, a constant is a number that does not change. An algebraical expression is an expression that contains at least one variable, an arithmetic operation and a constant. Example, m plus 8. Here m is a variable, 8 is a constant and addition is the operation. Similarly, r minus 3. R is the variable, 3 is a constant and subtraction is the operation. Two algebraic expressions connected by an equal sign is called as an algebraic equation. Example, 4x is equal to 8. If we take an equation 15 minus m is equal to 8, here m value has to be equal to 7 because 15 minus 7 will give you 8. So 7 is called as the solution of this equation. After watching this video, you should be able to convert statement into expression and expression into statement. Consider a statement, sum of 3 times m and 11 is 32. How do I convert it into an equation? First, 3 times m is written as 3m. Sum of 3m and 11 will be written as 3m plus 11. So the final equation will be 3m plus 11 is equal to 32. Now let's convert an equation into statement. X minus 5 is equal to 9 is an equation. How do I write the statement? Subtracting 5 from x gives 9. Now you try this. Convert the statement into equation. Statement is half of y added to 7 gives 10. Next, you also try converting equation to statement, that is 20 minus 2p is equal to 8. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.